Some basic concept of chemistry. Lesson 1. Classification of matter. Matter can exist in three physical states: solid, liquid, gas. Matter are two types: mixture and pure substance. Mixture is two types: heterozygous mixture and homozygous mixture. Pure substance is element and compound. A mixture contains particles of two or more pure substance in any ratio. Movement of air flow pressure gradient. In homozygous mixture, components completely mix with each other. In heterozygous mixture, composition is not uniform. Constituent particles of pure substance have fixed composition. Compound is formed when two or more atoms of different elements combine together in definite ratio. Properties of matter and their measurement. Properties are of two types: physical and chemical properties. Physical properties can be measured or observed without changing the identity or composition of substance. Chemical properties require a chemical change to occur. Color, odor, melting point, density, etc. are some physical properties. Quantitative measurement of physical property represented by number of followed by units. SI unit has been base units, base physical quantity and their units: length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamics, temperature, luminous intensity. Some prefix used in system are pico, nano, micro, milli, centimeter, kilo, mega. Some common unit: 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, 1000 centimeter cube, 1 decimeter cube. Fahrenheit में 9/5 सेंटीग्रेड प्लस 32. Uncertainty in measurement. Scientific notation is exponential notation in which any number represented in n into 10 के power n when n exponential have positive or negative values and n is number between 1.00 and 9.99. Significant figures are meaningful digits which are known with certainty plus one which is estimated or uncertain. Rules for determining the number of significant figures. All non-zero digits are significant. Zeros preceding to first non-zero digits are non-significant. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Zeros at the end of right of number are significant, provided they are on the right side of decimal point. Counting number have infinite significant figure. In a number written in scientific notation, all digits are significant. Precision refer to closeness of various measurements for the same quantity. Accuracy is the agreement of particular value to the true value of result. In addition and subtraction of significant figures, the result cannot have more digits to the right of the decimal point than either of the original number. In multiplication and division significant figures, the result must be reported with no more significant figure as there in the measurement with the fewer significant